Hey, this video is going to be about running ads for your own detailing businesses, and we're going to be talking about A to Z, everything that you need to run ads for your detailing business. One is setting up the entire advertising system in your ads manager, and the second, a framework that I use to run all the ads, how to make the actual ads. So yeah, let's get right into it. And just so you guys know that you're getting the best information, here are all the results that I have gotten running ads for detailing shops. Before we start, what you're gonna do is not boost a post for creating an ad. We're gonna be creating the ads in the ads manager itself. The best way to do it is create a business manager account on Facebook. Just watch a quick YouTube video how to do that, and then you want to come to the ads manager, and then it should look like this. All right, so you want to click on create. That's going to create a new campaign for you. Now you want to generate leads, right? So you want to click on leads and then click on continue. Here, this is the campaign. You want to choose a name for it. I'll just write ABC. You write whatever you want to, and then you don't have to change anything here. So click on next. This is the ad set level. This is the place where you set the parameters for your ad itself. Who it'll get shown to, how many people will see it, how much money you want to spend in this particular ad or set of ads. So this is the ad set level, which resides in a campaign. So you can create multiple ad sets, and then one ad set can have multiple ads. All right, so you don't have to have it down in one go, so just do it and you'll get a hang of it. Just name your ad set anything. I'll just name it ABC. You can name it whatever offer that you're gonna run. And then next you're gonna select a conversion location. So that's gonna be instant forms or messenger. If you want people to message you about your services, then you wanna click this messenger button. Or if you want information, which I do recommend that you guys do, that's the best way to do it, where you can ask them for their information, basically ask custom questions to them. So just click on instant forms and then scroll down, click on the Facebook page, this drop down menu, select the page you want to advertise from. If this is the first time that you're advertising, click on view terms and accept the terms. All right, make sure this is maximize number of leads. The performance goal is maximize number of leads, and then scroll down. You don't need to change anything here. Now in the budget section, you want to start each ad set from $5. Right, that's when you scroll down. After that, you'll see locations, and then you want to click on edit. Just search your location. Let's say if I do Vancouver, Canada. Alright, I see this. Well, what I'm gonna do is search where my shop is. Just drop your pin wherever the shop is. You can zoom in, zoom out, and then I'm gonna remove this, just have the shop there, and then I'm gonna reduce the radius 3 miles. You want to make sure that this one estimated audience size is more than 200k, 300k. You can have it up to 700k, 800k. All right, so just do that and then scroll down. In the 8 section, you can select above 25. So anything above 25 is okay. I'm just gonna do 30 and then uncheck this box. Custom audiences, you don't need anything here. Just click on show more settings. If you want to choose a gender, you can do that. I generally don't feel the need to do anything here. In detail targeting, you can put home improvement, and then you can put car detailing, just basic stuff, right? Alright, so auto detailing, cars, all these interests you can choose. Just use your common sense and that's it. Uncheck this button. Anything else? No. Show more options. You don't have to touch anything here. Alright, click on next. So when you move to the ad section, what you want to do is give the ad a name, make sure that your Facebook page is correct, and then uncheck this multi-advertiser ads. I'll tell you what you have to put in this section, like the ad creative section, in a minute, but just scroll down and let's create a form real quick where people will put their information in. Right, so just create a form, just give a name to the form. I'll put ABC, then make sure that it's more volume. Click on intro. You don't really need an intro, so just leave it. Click on questions. Description is please answer the questions below. This is alright. What you can do is add phone number field here and you're good to go. Alright, click on privacy policy. Here you wanna have to put in your privacy policy page. If you have it on your website, all good. If you don't have it, come to this website. I'll just mention this in the description below. Go to this, write your company name, email address, click on create, generate. It'll generate a privacy policy page for you, and then just copy the link of that page, come here, paste it. Alright, you can leave this blank. Click on message for leads. You don't change anything here, just click on call business if you want people to call you, or you can click on go to website if you want people to go to the website. I recommend you do call business. Put in your phone number here and then click on create form. Alright, and that's it. Once you create the form, you have to select it from here. Once you select it, now we only have one thing to do. We have to create an ad creative. Now I've made a document already going over this, what you have to include in your creatives and how should it look like, what framework do I follow to create all my ads. It's all here, so you don't need anything else. First, you have to understand that you need an offer. All right, people need a reason to buy from you. Why should they not go to the next person they see? And why should they come to you? Why should they take that offer? Right, so you have to have an offer. You can do multiple things here, but the best ones that I've seen working is flat discounts, percentage discounts. So flat discount can be $100 off, $200 off. Percentage discount can be $25, 25% off on a specific service. Free add-ons can be a free wax if you take this service, or however you want to frame it. The next one is a package deal, is where you package a bunch of different services in one package and give it for one price. That's a good one as well. And then you can do free quote. All of these work, man. You can just try, test it out for yourself, see which one works best for you, and then you can go from there. For the creative part, so once we have the offer down, we know what we're going to create the ads on. For the creative part, what you can do is whatever service you're advertising, you have to show your entire process of that in one video and then show the end result. All right, I have some videos, I have some ads where only the final result is shown, and that also works. Okay, so it's your choice, but I'd recommend you doing the entire process plus the final result of the job as your creative, as your one video. Okay, just get it edited to make it look nice, and that's it. You're good to go. You can also do before and after, like, but there's a problem here. Facebook recommends to not do this. They actually tell you to not do this because they don't, I don't know, it's a weird policy that you cannot do before and afters. But people do it. You can also do it in different ways. You can do then versus now, them versus us. So it's not really a problem. You can get around it. Just don't write before and after, and then you're good. You can also do a montage video of before and afters, and you're good. All right, so these two creatives I always see working. Next is primary text. So once you have this creative thing made, what you have to do is come here, click on add media. If it's an image, click on add image, add video, and then you can upload it there, and then you can it'll come here. All right, for the primary text, you have to follow this specific format. All right, I've seen this working multiple times. I use it every time. You can just go ahead and use it. You don't have to test anything new. If you see anything else, you can definitely try it, but if you don't have any idea, you can just go with this. Call out your area. Okay, so let's say Tampa Bay area. Attention, Tampa Bay. Right, that's it. And use a siren at both of the ends of the sentence, and then give them the offer. Like, directly jump to the offer. We're giving a free quote on this service. We're giving a flat this much off on this service. All right, and then in the next line, here's what the service includes, and then put different pointers of what the service includes, right? And make it descriptive. Just don't make it too long. After you have the list down, the next thing you want to do is put a time, like how much time does it take to do the service, and write it in a way that benefits them. So in less than 2 hours, you will have a brand new looking car, like something like this, right? And then the next one is create a PS section where you say, hey, this is only available for the first 5, first 10, first 15 people. Just create a scarcity so that people are incentivized, people have to take action right now. And you're done for the primary text. Once you write that, just paste it in the primary text section here. Next thing is the headline. Headline, whatever your offer is, just write your headline. Free quote for this service, or flat fee, this much flat fee off. You can just state your offer in your headline, just write it here and write it in caps lock. All right. In description, what you can write is 9 spots left, 5 spots left, to create scarcity. So I think that's good enough. For call to action, what you have to do is just basically select either of these two, get offer, or you can select get quote. These two work best, right? And then you have to click on publish, and that's all for the ad. You don't have to do anything else. But there's one more cheat code that I want to show you guys. What you can do is come to Facebook ads library, click on your country, and then click on all ads, right? And then click on detailing, and then you want to scroll down, and you guys can see a bunch of ads that people are running. All right, and how do we find that this ad is working? So I'll tell you how. So I'm just gonna scroll. See, 3 ads use this creative and text. If more ads are using this creative and the text, which means that means that it's working, right? That's why people are using it multiple times. Just go ahead, look at the ad. You can just copy this, view this video, recreate it, and boom, you're done. Right, so you can see 4 ads use this creative and text. You can use this one. 2 ads use this creative and text. So you'll find a bunch of these. 3 ads use this creative and text. You'll see a bunch of this. So you can use this ads library to create your own ads. And there you have it. You can create your own ads now. Just go ahead, create your first ad, put some money into it, see how it goes. If you face any problem, you can let me know. If you want a specific video that you want me to create, just type it down below and I'll create it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.